1158. So we have the graph of that equation is actually a line. And letter A, explain why the equation can be rewritten as 9r cosine theta plus 7r cosine or sine theta equals 5. Well, hopefully you understand that this is a proportion or a ratio that equals a ratio. So the cross product's equal. So I can say r times 9 cosine theta plus 7 sine theta equals 5. And once you distribute that in, you get the 9r cosine theta plus 7r sine theta equals 5. Now it says show that the rectangular form of the original equation is y equals negative 9/7 x plus 5/7. Well, what is r cosine theta? R cosine theta equals x. And then plus 7, and then we have the r sine theta. Well, r sine theta is y. That equals 5. And then this right now is in standard form. I'm going to put it into slope-intercept form. So I would go ahead and subtract the 9x. And divide by 7. So y equals negative 9/7 x plus 5/7.